Good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the parallel clipper circuit or shunt clipper circuit. Shunt clipper circuit with positive. Okay, shunt positive clipper or parallel positive clipper. We know that the both shunt and parallel are the synonyms, right? So we're going to see about what is a parallel positive clipper circuit. Why the operation of this clipper circuit is different from in previous what we have seen in the series clipper circuit. What is the operation, how the waveforms has been changed according to the input given to the then, and why it is called parallel clipper circuit. Correct, right? Why it is called parallel clipper circuit? Does anyone have this doubt? Everyone, right? So why? Because the output which is connected to the, so the diode which is connected to the output parallelly, so it means we are taking the output parallelly to the diode, so hence that's the reason this is called a parallel clipper circuit. If you take the output from the clipper, it means that the diode, then it is called clipper circuit. If you take the output from the resistor, it means resistor and diode are in connected in series such that, so when you take the output from the resistor, in the past 5 lectures we have been seen such that we are taking output from the resistor. In such a case, we call that as series clipper circuit. In this case, we are taking output from the clipper circuit which is connected diode parallel to the output. Hence, it is called a parallel clipper circuit. So let's go into the operation of this circuit. So till now, what we have studied, that once again I will recap the things so you will understand. Okay, when the diode is in such a case, it means positive terminal is connected to long end. This is short end. So it is connected in. Then it is called forward bias. So in such a case, it will offer the maximum voltage. So it is called a short circuited path. Okay, it is called short circuited path. Okay, when the diode is connected to in opposite manner. Okay, the diode is connected in this manner. This connected to positive terminal, this connected to negative terminal. Then we call it as reverse bias. In such a case, it will act like a open circuit. It means no current will flow through it. So V naught is equals to 0. In such a case, V naught is equals to maximum whichever the voltage you are given. Okay. So the same thing we are going to apply here itself. So here you have two conditions. Vi will be greater than 0 and such that Vi should be less than 0. Okay. So here I am giving an input sine wave which is having my 5 volts peak to peak. This is plus 5 volts. This is minus 5 volts. When I transfer this input signal across this positive one. So positive, this terminal will be positive, this terminal will be negative. It means this is the positive terminal and this is negative terminal. So it is connected in forward bias mode. In such a case, it behaves like a short circuited path, right? So in this way, these terminals. So in the when we are designing, we should connect ground also for the circuit, right? So whatever the voltage we are getting from this node, this entire will goes to the ground. It means it will not reflected as the output. So if we connected this resistor itself, okay, like load resistance to observe this one, so the same it will not flow out, it will come through this line and it will go to the ground. It means in such a case, whatever we are getting, even though it is in forward mode, so in forward mode it acts as a short circuit. Correct, right? It acts as a short circuit. So in this case, whatever our output voltage is, that output voltage is 0. So short circuit entire thing will goes to the ground, so it will not reflected on the output side. So in graph itself you will notice here, so up to my positive half there is no output, correct, right? So okay, in second case what we will get during negative half, this is negative and this is positive, it means this is positive, this is negative, it is in open circuit mode. Open circuit mode means it is in reverse bias. Reverse bias means open circuit, right? It means this one, this is open circuit. Open circuit means, so whatever the output we are getting from here, that will reflect on the output side. Means this is, there is no path between this one. If it is path is available, then it is also go to the ground. But it is open circuited, right? So because of the open circuited one, this will not allow through flow to the ground. It will allow to show on the output side. So because of having an open circuit, so whatever the wave coming from here, that will be reflected on the output. So in this way we will get the negative half. So in this way this positive parallel clipper circuit is going to be work. So we'll better understand the multisim software. Let's go to multisim software. You should better understand that you should have a grab and more confidence. Well, what is the when forward bias, what is the state, it is in short circuit mode, what is the in reverse bias case, it is in open circuit mode. So it will offers infinity, it will offers zero. So you should understand the things and you should remember, keep on these things, then only you will better understand all the things. Okay, let's go to multisim. So in this way you have seen I have been already designed a resistor along with capacitor diode. So we are taking output from the diode such that in this way it is connected, right? So in this way for that connected across the diode, which is we are taking the output from there, so which is connected in parallel, that's why it is called parallel clipper circuit. This is a function generator that we are giving the input. This is the oscilloscope. Let's run this one. We'll observe the output wavesum from here itself to observe what is happening over the operation of this circuit while we are giving input. What is the happening when we are giving positive half cycle, what is happening when you are giving negative half cycle. We have been designed such that let's execute this one. So to observe this one I will drag this input onto this plane. So when I drag this into the plane, so okay, clearly notice such that during my positive half cycle my output should be 0 because of it is in short circuited mode. The entire thing is going to be ground. Okay, you will understand. I hope in the presentation itself I have explained more clearly. Whereas in the negative half circle my input is less than 0, in such a case it is in reverse bias mode. In reverse bias mode these two terminals will be open circuited. This means whatever you are connecting here, that will be our negative output will come, so that will be reflected on the output. So the negative half will be remain same, the positive half is clipped and the negative half will be remains same forever till you are stop, until unless you stop the input giving, it will be keep on going. In this way the positive parallel clipper circuit is going to be work. So this is same as the in the series positive clipper with positive bias or negative bias, I don't remember. In the same behavior we have seen in the series clipper circuits also. This is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please let me in comment box, and thank you for watching this session. If you are want to watch more regarding the clip multisim software and you want to try with us more circuits, please let me in comment box. We will do that circuit diagrams in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching.